This is question number 6 of paper 2 2023. Open the file Q06. Write a program to meet these requirements. Number 1 is input prompt for and accept a username and password. Neither should be blank. Process implement authentication by searching the array of the username and password and ensure the search works for any length of the array. Output display a suitable message when the correct combination of the name and password is found. Display a suitable message when the username is found but the password does not match. Display the suitable message when the username is not found. I need to display these three messages, okay, according to the condition. Use comments with white space and layout to make the program easier to read and understand. This is the program, okay, user table. These are the user table. This is the username and this is the password. I'm going to start code from here. Username, I'm writing username equal to input, enter username, okay, and then I need to get the password equal to input, enter the password after this. Okay, first of all I'm checking that if username, if any one of is empty or blank. I'm writing if username equal to empty or and any one of these conditions. That's why I'm writing or password equal to empty. Then they will display me message. What message they will display? Print username and password must not be blank. Okay, this is my message. Else, no, in else part, I'm checking the program. I'm telling user found equal to false, because this will shows that whether user has been found or not. If it will found, I will make it true. User found by default is false. And next one is password correct equal to equal to also false. Okay. Now I will iterate this. Iterate through index. I will iterate first this index, then second index, then third, and so on. How can I iterate? I'm writing a loop for user in name of the list. I'm writing name of the list is this. Then during the iteration, what need to be checked? I'm checking that if user of 0. Why I'm writing 0? This is 0 index. This is 1 index. This is 0 column and this is 1 column. Row is on 0 index. This is 0 index. This is first column. And I mean first index. This is the second index. This is the index number 3. And this is the column number. This here column number 0 and here column number 1. If users of 0 equal to username, if they will match, what they will do? User found should be user found equal to true. It will become true. Okay. And once it will become true, try to check the password. For that purpose, you are writing if user, this user, because you are getting, this is a variable that is keeping the index. If user of 1 equal to password, that you are getting here password, control C, they will match the password. Then what happen? then you make it password correct equal to true. Control C, and you are writing here equal to true. Okay, only this. Through loop, we can find that whether username has been found. If they will found, it will become true. And then password, they will also check the password. If password will found, they will also make it true. Once loop will finish, at this stage, loop will finish at this iteration. I'm writing if user found equal to true and password correct. Same spelling, equal to true. Then what you will do? You will say that print username access granted, suppose if they are access granted. Okay, because both are matched. Elif, now check that elif user found equal to true, user found same, user found control C, elif user found equal to true and password correct equal to false. Then what do you understand here? What you will display? Print, they will display print username found, but password does not match. This is the message. Else both are not found. Means print username not found. Username not found. Okay. First of all, I will check this one. Username not found. I will run the program and I'm entering any data. I'm writing ABC. Okay, they are telling that username password is not defined. Name password is not defined. Maybe spell is wrong. I will see that a password here. I'm using capital P. Control C. I'm using the same password. Is not defined, and I'm going to run it again. Okay, username ABC. Password is ABC. They are telling me again error. They're telling name user found is not defined. I will check that where I have used user found. See, I'm using user found in small letter. Control C. Here I will also write in small letter, and here I will also write in small letter. Okay, I can write correct. Okay, but just I want to show you if you will find this type of errors, how you can remove it. Okay, I'm going to run this because while I'm writing carelessly. Okay, because I want to show this type of errors. ABC and then ABC, username not found. Okay, I will copy this. I want to check this. Control C, Control V. This is a username and this is a password. I'm writing username correct, but password wrong. Okay, I'm going to run the program. Username is this, password is wrong. They're telling username found, but password does not match. Okay, now I am going to run both correct order. This is username, okay, and password. I will that I have copied from here. Control C, and I'm writing here. They are telling me access granted. Okay, this is the complete code as you can see here. Username, password, then for checking blank values, if any one of them is blank, then it will give the message. Else user found. Here I'm taking two Boolean values, false by default false, and when they will found, it will making a true. Okay, and after this I'm checking which value is true, which value is false. If both are true, access granted if one of true and other one is false, like password correct equal to false. Then username found but password is not matched. If both are false, it means username not found.